It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? Hope everybody doing good. I'm doing better. Yes indeedy, I am doing so good. Happy, feeling better, looking better, thinking better. I don't need no prejudice. Change of diet it improves so many things. I know a lot of y'all know that. Y'all been on several diets. Y'all know what's up. Boy. Well, anyway, today, what am I trying to chat about today? About me, my goings-ons, and what's happening. Oh, I was doing my crafting thing, and all over the news, they got Trump, Mar-a-Lago home raided. I said, what the heck going on there? I guess if y'all see that, it's all over the news. So they say he's supposed to be running for president, but I don't know. Only time will tell. But that's the news that I just seen on the news. Other news, the preppers still talking about how the food is in short supply. Bad food being sold. Well, I already had a previous video telling you I already experienced bad food in the grocery store, but I will share if anything changes in my area and more. I will share. Like I shared about the chicken prices going up. I shared about some food was missing in the store, Walmart, that I get my groceries from. I don't know if they've been restocked because I haven't ordered anything in a couple of days. But what was I about to tell y'all? I did get something from Amazon to help me baste my food with olive oil. I'm going to show y'all that as soon as I flip the camera around. But other than that, I have decided to regulate my diet by, I think at first I was eating meat only twice a week. But I think now, to help with my cholesterol, I think I'm just going to eat some meat maybe once a week. So that's 4 times out the month I will have meat. And basically I'm just eating chicken, ground turkey, I get my little Cornish hens, I get my turkey wings, and occasionally if I find me some beef neck bones or some oxtails or something like that, yes, meat once a week. Because I started out saying I was going to eat it twice a week, Tuesday and Friday. Now I got to pick which day of the week that I am, oh, I'm sweating, excuse me, y'all. Which day of the week that I am going to choose to eat the meat. Other than that, right now I'm just eating plenty of vegetables, salad, fruit. Yes, I'm still worried about fresh vegetables and fruit in the market because of the freaking monkey pop. Oh, that just disgusts me so bad. To think that people can be oozing and they don't know they got the monkey pop. They just think it's so nasty rash. And they all in the store and that stuff squirting everywhere. Oozing all on the fresh fruits and vegetables, even on meat packages, the cereal boxes, the cans of juices, the bottle of soda, and the carton of milk. I can't. I don't know if you guys can, but let me know in the comments if you ain't worried about it, fine. But hey, I'm worried about it because I want my stuff to be safe. I do not want the monkey pop. I do not want COVID. Whew. But wearing your mask is good. But what about if something squirt on your arm? Well, you don't have to squirt, but what about if somebody got the infectious disease and they get the yapping and that spit get on your arm? Because they say it's skin contact. It can get on you, get in your mouth, your eye, get on your face. Say you got a scratch on you and it's on your arm, you wearing a sleeveless shirt or something. Somebody with the infectious disease just happened to speak with you and they just splurt. And they contaminate it and you don't know. They don't even know because a lot of people don't even know what the monkey pop is. Oh, y'all, I'm sweating. Sorry about that. But hopefully they'll keep announcing it on TV shows, programs, news, social media, articles, that they'll keep on letting the public know it's dangerous. They need to protect themselves and protect others. Quarantine when you get that mess, because a lot of doctors, I've seen a video where the nurses was making fun and saying that they don't have no, they don't want anything to do with anybody with monkeypox, and the doctors, they were saying, was feeling the same way. Now this is alleged in my mind, in my eyes, because hey, I'm just getting it from somebody else, where I'm just hearing this from somebody else and seeing a video, somebody talking about that. So don't say Miss JENITA said this and that. No, I got it from a video, and some of y'all probably even seen the video too. But yeah, that is crazy. Doctors and nurses don't want to be bothered with it. They don't want to be contaminated either. That is truly crazy. And they did have cases where folks were saying they would go to the doctor and the doctor didn't know what it was. And so therefore the mess is just being spread all over the place. What else going on? Oh, like I said, I just talked about my diet. And I'm doing a little exercise. Still losing weight. Taking care of myself, and coming on my little grocery channel, trying to keep it going, enjoying my gardening channel and gardening and my crafting channel. And let me, well, I don't know y'all, but hey, I think that same person, okay, but hell, I don't want to hold back. I don't want to hold back. Whatever going on is what's going on. I ain't gonna worry about it. Things is happening. Just let me tell y'all that things is happening. Y'all know, did y'all hear about something about we soon gonna know who gonna be they sharing everybody's subscriber count. Y'all seen that? Everybody's subscriber count is known now. No more hiding a subscriber count. I don't know why folks hid it, no way. And I guess soon they'll be sharing who giving folks likes and unlikes, I guess. They used to do that, I think. It used to come through the mail for the YouTube. I forgot how to get to that. I think I do. And they would tell you who came to your channel, who liked, whatever. But time will tell. But okay, y'all, let me show y'all what I got up here so I can get over with this video. I just came to chat with y'all for a minute. I'm getting back to my crafting and my gardening, so hold on. Okay, y'all, this is something that I just was going to incorporate in my diet. Just a little bit of pasta, not a lot, because I don't want all them carbs. But I'm going to use a little pasta and mix it with my vegetable. And also, I just wanted to share with y'all these little brushes I got from Amazon that I'm going to use to help me baste olive oil on my meat or whatever I'm gonna put it on. I like them. They're silicone, cute. But that's all I wanted to tell y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing just a little pasta. And I don't like the food with rice. If I do rice, ooh, it's gonna be a tablespoon. Rice is dangerous. I'm telling y'all, it's dangerous for people with I can't even say that because I'll be making like a statement. I'm not trying to say. I'm only looking out for myself. I don't food with rice like that, and I dang sure don't want food with pasta like that. But half a cup or something, that's all. Cause hey, I'm serious about my health, and my health is warning me. But anyway, y'all, stay in survival mode. I just came through to holler at y'all. Stay in survival mode. Stay in survival mode. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Check out my other channels. I'm loving it here and there and everywhere. Bye, y'all. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit